one of the major challenges the country currently is facing is the globalization. Now, how to prepare its citizen and the government to take the revolution of ICT, which is making it a global village. So with this context, Government of India, the Department of Information and Communication Technology, they have come up with a novel plan of National Portal of India, that is india.gov.in, and Odisha has been chosen as the pilot state to undertake the india.gov.in to the district level. Here one very important issue is India is a country of multi-dimension, multicultural, multi-languages and multi-religion people. We have, in the country is divided into states and union territories, and the states have been divided into districts. Currently about 640 odd districts are there in the country. Now, district is a critical point in the country for the fact that all the development planning begins at the district. If you look at the Planning Commission, State Planning Board and the District Planning Board plays a very critical role in development of the district. Now, keeping in view of the huge information that is generated at the district level and the multivarious, multidimensional, multicultural, multi-language issues present at the district, the standards of district portal, the concept was conceptualized, and Odisha has been chosen as the pilot district to undertake this exercise. Now the whole idea again here is, at the district standardized district portal, it will have all the three layers of information, service delivery and contents relating to that particular district. That is the bottom layer, and above that final layer is the india.gov.in, and the bottommost layer is the district portal layer. In between there is SS and DG layer, state service delivery gateway. Now all these three has to be aligned and integrated at different planes. Standards of district portal has been a major initiative of Government of Odisha, and it has been undertaken by NIC State Center Odisha under the leadership of Dr. R.N. Behera and his team. And recently I am very glad to say that during the eWorld award ceremony at New Delhi, Standards of District Portal got a prestigious award of the best software in the category of citizen service delivery. And we are looking forward to map it across the entire country. Recently, two states, Uttaranchal and Rajasthan, Arunachal and Rajasthan, they have taken initiative to implement the standardized district portal in their states. In Odisha, out of 30 districts, 12 districts have been already completed, and rest 18 districts are underway. Very soon will be completing all the 30 districts in the country. Thank you.
District portal, an initiative under National Portal of India, india.gov.in, has been developed and implemented in Odisha as a pilot state. This is under the flagship program of DIT NEGV project india.gov.in, with Mrs. Neeta Verma as leader of the team, has envisaged how the district portals across the country will have a uniform structure, format, technology, look and feel, and above all, a platform. This is a single window platform where the citizen of the district can get information about the district's acts, rules, forms, then services, all the services related to the district. Any particular office is linked with a particular service, and that has been identified and integrated to this. And geography, history, culture of the districts. Unique selective tourism spots are identified through this district portal, which is focused in a countrywide. So we have taken 2 districts initially as a pilot in Odisha. Now it is extended to 12 districts. 12 districts has been completed, and within 2 months all the 30 districts of Odisha will be completed. The target audience is rural citizens, district level citizens, those who get information national level from the national portal, state level from the state portal, and district and sub-district level from this district portal. So all the services related are linked, so that say for any driving license or any specific district specific services is integrated here. This is also available through the common service center in the Gram Panchayat GPs. The future approach is how the citizen can be benefited through this portal, and the uniqueness of this portal is this has been developed with Government of India web guidelines, accessibility norms for physically challenged or differently abled persons. It has been cyber security audited, and above all it is following the CMAP policy, so that it has 3 portals. One is for content uploading, second is content moderation or authentication, third is a citizen centric portal where the citizen can view this portal. Now this portal is going to be extended to Arunachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Several states have approached. Arunachal Pradesh is also one of the districts as taken as a pilot. Upper Subarnasiri district is taken as a pilot. So this portal will ultimately extend it to throughout this country, and this country will have a single window platform, that is the district platform, where we will have standardized district portal across the country.